Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an email list in Mailchimp using the easy method. This is a great way to set up a collection box for names on your latest internet project so you can start gathering fans today. Let's get into it. First, click the Audience menu and create a list folder. The first step is to sign in to your main account control panel and create the main bucket where all your future visitor names will be saved. Open your web browser, log into your profile, click on the three-line menu icon marked Audience on the left side, and click on Audience Dashboard. Look for the Management drop-down button on your screen and select the choice to view your main audience list. Because you cannot collect letters without creating a home folder for them first, you have to set up this bucket so the computer knows exactly where to route the information when someone types their details online. Without this step, your visitor names would have nowhere to go and would get lost in the system. Next, go to the sign-up forms. You need to navigate to the design area to find the specific tool that builds the actual text boxes for your website. Look at the submenu options on your screen, find the line that says Sign-up Forms, and click it cleanly with your mouse. Review the layout styles displayed on your screen, and click the Select button next to the option labeled Form Builder. Because you need to construct a physical entry box before your fans can give you their information. By entering this design room, you unlock the setup screen where you can add text fields and buttons. It ensures you are in the right spot to start customizing how your collection box looks to the public. Next, choose your fields and design your form. Now you need to drag and drop simple text boxes onto your template layout so visitors know exactly what information to type. Click on the first name box tool on the right side panel, drag it into your center template, and do the same thing with the email address field. Click on the text boxes to edit the labels, making sure the words are very simple and easy to understand for everyone. Because if your form looks confusing or asks for too much personal data, people will leave without signing up. By keeping your layout clean and short, you make it incredibly easy for fans to join your group. It is the key step to getting the right output because a clean form results in way more signups down the line. Next, copy the link and share it everywhere. The final step is to grab the unique web link generated by the system and share it on your social media pages or place it directly on your website so anyone can click it. Move your pointer to the top of the Form Builder screen, highlight the long line of text inside the Sign Up Form URL box, and copy it. Paste this link into your social media profiles, drop it in your videos, or send it to your friends so they can click it and test the form. Because your collection folder cannot grow if nobody can find your sign-up page. Once you share this live link for your marketing task, anyone who clicks it can type their name, press submit, and instantly drop right into your database folder. Now your list building setup is completely finished and ready to go. And that's it. To build an email list in Mailchimp, you must first go to your Audience menu and create a list folder. Then you move to the menu and click on Sign-up Forms. Next, you use the tool to choose your entry fields and design your form layout. Finally, you copy the live web link and share it with your audience to finish the setup. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.